Hello, I hope you all guys are doing great today. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you can enjoy from unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you first twirly and a scarf from Hermès. You're gonna see the beautiful designs on the scarf. It's like breathtaking and you're gonna love it, I'm pretty sure. And I'm gonna tell you why I choose this specific one. I really wasn't ready at all for it, so you're gonna see it. And I'm gonna show you different way that I can use it. And let's start this video. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. I want to dedicate just open it so you guys can really appreciate it the moment when I open it and in the first time that I open it too. And I think it's very fun like that. And now in that way you guys don't have to wait like a ton of times for watching the unboxing, and I want to make it more nicely in the right way to unbox, so you just focus on the item. But I have here, like you guys already was able to enjoy the unboxing, but this is the little twirly. I love this container. Look at this, the packaging of this beautiful. You can reuse it and put it kind of like a little decoration. And I like it because even if you travel, you can just put it back here and take it with you, which is pretty cool. So this is it, and this is the one that I choose. I'm gonna leave you right here the kind of like the name of the product and the product number if we have any. This one is a Twilly Entries Remix, GRIS, ACIER, ROUGE, and the number from Hermès. And this is right here the information. And I like this one because it's more defined the design, and I love that. I love the primary colors right here. Very, very detailing with little things. Those colors, I really like those colors, and I can use it any time of the year just because the color. And it's beautiful how the CA showed me how you can put it in your hand. So you fold it in half, you grab it like this. Look at this. See, so you can put this part in the bottom on the like that, and then this top one. That is amazing. I catch on that right away soon she was showing me. So you get this one like that, and I guess you just make a knot here. I don't want it tied up with my mouth because I have my lipstick. Look at this. Look at this color, just for summer, just like that. I mean, if you want to do an extra knot, or if you want to like put it like this, but you can do it extra knot and it will like tighten it perfect. But just like that, look at that. Look at those colors. It's just amazing. 100% silk. It's just so pretty, so pretty. The price is amazing. This one is $180 right now. This is the best price out there in luxuries items name, because even Louis Vuitton was the cheapest one, and now you see how high they went in price. So this one is amazing. The quality is beautiful, and you still can put it like this for summer. You can put it in your bag, on your bag, and actually you can use it like this too, which this is a way for me. That's why I got it too, because I wanna use it this way. Let me see if I don't want to wrap my hair into, which I think is already happening. But look at this. So don't mind this sticker, but look at that. The colors are amazing. I just love it. Let me know, guys, what you think about this one. But it's just so, so pretty. Look at this, just like that. I'm into this right now. And I start my Hermès journey with all these pieces. I could right now even think about a dream bag. But I tell myself, I love all these beautiful pieces from Hermès. Why not to start buying little items at a time? Right now that I really love all this and build my, my record or my whatever it's called, start to building it right now and have a close relationship with the CA, like be loyal to her and buy all the stuff little by little. So many other things that I found out that I love, and I'm going to get it little by little, maybe in 5, 10, 15 years. If I'm able to get a dream bag, I already have my record built up at the store, and that would be amazing. But they have beautiful, beautiful stuff there for affordable price that I never even look at it, because I thought those dream bag, it was so much, I can't even imagine the rest of the stuff. But they have beautiful things. Beautiful, and I definitely want to grow my collection in this Twilly. They are beautiful, and I love that they tell a story in every scarf or every twilly they do. They tell you a story about it. It's a design of something very interesting, very storytelling. That's what I love. It's not just the brand or just the pretty age. I just love that little details. Okay, now we're gonna go for the beautiful, juicy part. This is the best thing ever. I just thought that I actually went for the second time to the store to pick a few stuff like little things, and I'm walking in and I'm looking at the jewelries, right? And when I look at the left, I saw all the scarf, but it's this one that got my attention. You can see how this one kind of like a pop from all the others that was there, and they all beautiful, but this one is just, I fall in love. I don't know if my tropical culture, my background, because where I come from is a very tropical country. You see all the palm trees, you see all the birds with different colors, all the parrots, everything. It's just so beautiful. And soon I saw this one, I tell myself, I don't care, I need to have this one. I definitely had to get this one. And I got it. And for my surprise, the price wasn't crazy. So that's what I was scared of, because literally everything that I put my eyes on that I like is too much. I just had to forget about it. But unlike, you're going to see that this one is going to be so much that I'm going to have to leave it behind. But no, it wasn't. This is Toucans de Paradise. The name of it's right here, Toucan de Paradise, and it's really a paradise when you see. Actually, after I got this, I really want to buy the kit of display the scarf, which they have it, but it's pricey too. But this one is just amazing, and I'm gonna show you right now. Look at this. I hope you guys can see it. I just think that the color is just so pretty, so tropical. It just, both sides, it look just perfect. It's not like one side look more bright than the other. Both sides look perfect. But this color is just amazing. Look at that. I want to put it back. Look at those colors. The details. This edge is for by hand, so it's perfect. But yeah, this one is just perfect for display. I just love this for display. But I actually bought it for the summer, so I can kind of like do it different way. I made like a shirt. It's super big, and this, look at that, it's big and it's so beautiful. This is the 90 millimeter, I think. Let me see, right here is the 90 millimeter. Cari Twill to cancel repair. Let me see, made in France. Actually, everything that I have so far is made in France. For some reason, I like that. This is 90 millimeter. So this is so pretty, and I bought it just because I love the design, the colors, and actually because I want to use it in summertime as a shirt too. And I want to do this too. I want to put it on my hair. Oh, I think it's just so pretty. Let me see. I have my hair down and it's so hard. So cute, but no, I don't want to put that. I don't want to wrinkle it all up. Let me see. Look at this. This This is just so pretty, so pretty. The colors are amazing. I just love it. Of course, this is just like okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is all for today. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Subscribe, share, comment in this video. Let me know what you think about these beautiful pieces. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to come back here. So have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.